ng tulong sa mga taong nakakaranas nito because I've experienced it as well personally and I was able to live above it. So para sa kanila to, this award is for them definitely.
Then paano mo kinaya yun dumaan ka sa pagsubok na yun?
Of course, people who are undergoing depression naman, all they need is time.
Yes.
Just give them time. Huwag nyo silang, sorry for the term, huwag nyo silang masyadong kulitin to be better, to be okay because sila lang po talaga ang makakatulong sa sarili nila and of course all the people that really takes care and who loves them unconditionally because that's how I really appreciate what happened during the time that I was undergoing that because all of the people, yung support system ko is nakaalalay lang sa akin and they're not forcing me to be better immediately just because of work, just because you have to do this and do that. But all we need, well basically me, all I needed was time and prayers actually. So yun yung nakagaling sa akin.
Isa mo sila nakapekto sa'yo ng malaki yung pamabash from other people?
No, doesn't affect me actually. I've been here for 15 years. It's part of it. People are entitled to their opinion, so bigay na natin. Okay na, support natin sila dyan.
So then,
what have you been doing to take care of your mental health?
Cycling po, actually. Cycling is really important to me right now. And I still make it to a point to do it every day as much as I can for work. Laking tulong. Parang bagong outlet siya.
Ano yung pinakamahabang na cycle?
106 kilometers. From Pasig to Pililla, Rizal.
seryoso?
Ano sunod-sunod yung mga awards mo? What gives you pride?
It's the purpose. It's the purpose that I have in this lifetime and in this career that I have. For me, hindi na siya about fame, hindi na siya about money. Ano ba yung pwede kong may contribute dito sa industriya kung nasan ako, minahal ko at minahal ako ng industry natin. Ano ba yung pwede kong maibalik? So I think that's the reason why I wake up every day. That's the reason why ang dami kong gustong gawin in terms of helping and giving back to the industry. And syempre yung mga nangangailangan din ng tulong, gusto nating bigyan sila ng pansin mo sa buhay.
Napupuri ka